Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kids archery sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the CLOVERCAT Kids Archery Set. The CLOVERCAT Kids Archery Set is an engaging and interactive way to promote outdoor development and foster imagination among children. With this set, your little ones will embark on exciting archery adventures while honing their hand-eye coordination and building their strength. Vibrant colors and stimulating graphics decorate each bow, captivating kids' attention and encouraging their use of the bow. The ergonomically shaped grip helps kids learn to hold the bow, and the suction cup arrow tips ensure that shooting is a safe activity. Crafted from durable ABS plastic with double screws, these bows withstand rough play without breaking, ensuring long-lasting fun. The set includes 2 bows, 6 suction cup arrows, 2 targets and 2 quivers, providing everything 2 kids need for a complete archery experience. Your little ones will hit bullseyes in no time. This archery set tops our list for its durable design, ergonomic grip and full suite of included accessories. Moving on at number 4, we have the ToyVelt Kids Archery Set. The ToyVelt Kids Archery Set provides thrilling and illuminating adventures for children aged 3 to 12. This incredible bow and arrow set provides hours of entertainment that will also strengthen your child's motor skills, concentration and hand-eye coordination. The 6 included arrows each come tipped with a suction cup, ensuring that archery time is safe. As children learn to confidently aim and fire at the included target, they will develop their ability to mentally focus and patiently accomplish set goals. Plus, the vibrant light-up feature adds a touch of enchantment, fueling their imagination and making playtime even more exciting. It looks especially nice at night, so you can practice any time of the day. The set includes a quiver for easy arrow storage and a practice target to enhance precision and focus. It's a complete package that empowers children to embrace adventure, learn new skills and build confidence in their abilities. Choose from various color options, including green, blue and pink, to suit your child's preference. At number 3, we have the Temi Kids Archery Set. The Temi Kids Archery Set is an exciting and educational outdoor toy that will keep children entertained for hours. This archery set has a luminous bow, quiver, target and 10 suction cup arrows. Everything you need for a thrilling shooting experience. The LED lights on the bow add a cool effect and help kids track their arrows, even in low light conditions. This enhances the fun factor and helps improve hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills and aim accuracy in a safe and interactive way. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic ABS material, this archery set reliably withstands rough play. The smooth surface ensures the safety of children, and the suction cup arrows can be easily attached to smooth surfaces such as glass, walls and the provided target, so your child can practice wherever is convenient. The adjustable bowstring allows for precision and focus, while the quiver easily carries and stores arrows. With this bow set, children can embrace the joy of archery while fostering personal development. At number 2, we have the FAUX Kids Archery Set. The FAUX Kids Archery Set includes a sleek foam bow and included arrows. The high-performance spinning handle helps lightning-fast releases. Boys and girls alike will have a blast aiming and shooting the foam arrows, thereby leading a more active, outdoor lifestyle. This top-notch set offers a high-quality archery experience focused on comfort and accuracy. The innovative release system spins arrows as they fire, promoting precise launches. The bow launches arrows up to an impressive 100 feet. Each arrow withstands impact after impact with its virtually indestructible tubing construction, ensuring repeated use. Plus, the bow comes with a top rack to hold up to 6 arrows. Designed to emulate a real bow, this set keeps kids safe with its soft foam construction. Thanks to this bow's exceptional performance and precise accuracy, aspiring archers will shoot like pros in no time. And finally at number 1, we have the Procener Kids Archery Set. The Procener Kids Archery Set is the perfect gift for teen archery enthusiasts and beginners. This complete kit includes a bow, 9 arrows, 2 target faces, an arm guard and a quiver, providing everything your teen needs to enter the thrilling world of archery. With an accessible draw length and weight that still provides exceptional speed and accuracy to arrows, this bow is user-friendly while still competing with top-of-the-line bows, making it an ideal choice for teenagers and adult beginners alike. The bow provides a solid grip with precise handling, making it easy for beginners to learn proper shooting techniques and improve their archery skills. The package also includes 2 target faces and 9 arrows, enabling young archers to practice their aim and accuracy. The leather arm guard keeps your forearm protected as it draws the bow, and the arrows are round-tipped for added safety. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.